free form so a esi form wa. So what there before now say we expectation any senior na yes year drain no. But now we expect say game na be kon say esi call na.
Gabi, say I didn't watch the game live.
Okay.
Now me follow our live score app no so. Iti lineup ne buy na me bisa me ho. What was going on? Because me share the way I now almost arrange players no park ne so. I thought there was a problem with that. Now after na mati I said the reason why a lot of the live score applications no no wrong. The profiling originally by Otoado was wrong. It would say omo fano omo ko mistake and omo share players no in different places okohwe ni year footmob any live score cry Eddie Calabia to center back.
So beba nya wetere so situation here said your football sites now your matches wo ho
good
mo my the results update ni ade
my possible lineup
any ade
no confirm so no mo dia mayen
ento omo no hair Black Stars starting lineup na babo nten
good
ano mo mom si say players ni yie
good ewo
park no so in their omo platform no so
good but me hu here no I realized that there were a lot of things that were wrong.
Okay.
It me imagine me shall say na me shisha players ni yie but still na nko yie.
Oh, okay.
So that was when I knew say the profiling originally by Otoado for the game was wrong. Yeah, the enfa no nto nchen. Kabi. Me ra ho pa. Na asema making. It is not even about Oto ne performance. Say menim say amanfo bebre bu afu Oto. Enuna the way na ontimi coach team ni ye. But and now she match ni ye pa. Jordan Ayew was not comfortable. Almost the entire duration of the game. Usha ni di mi na. It speaks of Obi say why you fed up. Onim say there could be something better going on, but that thing is not happening. So it reflected in his play. Usha ni boy na or boy na. There were times not Oye hold that play. Now hold that play, now all hold the play no. Essentially, what was that supposed to do? It was supposed to send a lot of players no into wide areas. Senebeya, se we nya faula. Obetimi nya obi a obetimi distribute pass na mano. When the Austrians tracked down that thing, there was nothing else Jordan Ayew was doing on the pitch and not Ebuano. And he became frustrated.
Okay.
Michelle Jordan Ayew, this is not how Jordan Ayew is supposed to play. Because even if you are playing him in the 10 role, now ontimi piabo no enko for and also ontimi embeshe Prince Eduechi. Entimi nya the balls entimi emfidi other wide option and also entimi shoot on goal. The only other thing that you get Jordan to do is to hold that play. Hold that play so nenko ye. Yemfa no sun to nchen. Enra Otoado wafre Senaya, wafre Lucasen, wafre Patrick Pfeiffer. We a new players are ball for the Black Stars. They have not played yet. Pfeiffer dear set ahead of the 2022 World Cup. No. And I'm sure say omo yesen komo pe se obebo World Cup ni bi by Ancelotti.
Yeah.
It will naturalize ye by Ancelotti for World Cup no. This is the first time omo friend
for the World Cup.
Now if you need to fix problems like is a right back situation now. So we senka Senaya a boss match because between Austria and Germany there. Germany is a more tougher opponent. Now Opesa will solve a problem in the team. Use the first game to solve the problem. Then in the second game, no bet me make a decision. Say a Calabria na why you timu possible right back now. Definitely after the game, no. After the Austrian game, no, you can decide. Say me boss and I know me nyadi na mepe, so I'll play Irenchi there. But you have not played Senaya of free bench and a buy 20 or 30 minutes or a damn pan or beboa. Ubetimidia who the competency for that right back position. So you have called the players, the new players, but you are not using them the way you must use them to get the feedback that you need. And now, she goes at your consider. me de ya me yakra ne Chukwu Emeka go na ye consider yan. Mama player bako afa mumu easy like that.
Say mu dida ho.
On say Gabi insem no me pesa me kan me de yaw ene beka say no a lot of questions are being raised about whether Otto should be sacked or not. Me say na me say was GFA no e approach ya de no Monday ye na Germany bebo. And yes sir, yeah. On Monday no they need to watch the performance because they say the Obia who said the game we played against Austria, everything was down to coaching.
Of course.
If Otuado was proactive enough, now over 3 long balls to Prince Edu, now ultimately nya stability to play through. So why do you continue playing those long balls? Send the balls to the wide areas. Now you team nya ball move from wide areas back cut it inside into the box no. Shey Isayaku. I like Isayaku. He's a very good player. But Odupo boom. Ultimately drew inside the 18-yard box and be playing boom like that. And
it was the only dangerous ball we nya in the entire game no boy anyina. And
I understand say Otto is the one who is instructing the players, but I say sometimes when the players need to use their own ingenuity to address the situation of the day. If on the day no say I didn't enquire, what can you also do to salvage the situation? Players should be at least a bit smart on that. It is Semenyo say and no or struggle pa. I was expecting that at some point in the game no fine, this is a friendly game and you're competitive to say the ending point, but you need to put yourself in a position where you are a bit more comfortable to play. Then out of that the coach can pick signals and feed with the technical team. Because now say instructions per se near the man Semenyo say body sway. You cannot continue playing that same way, and when you're not doing well, you still receive the blame. Okay. A lot needs to be done on the field of play, not necessarily an instruction coming from the coach. Meaning said they make an what you said there because it became very difficult to see the structure of play and not Black Stars for Eddie Bomb. There was no structure
because at a point in time you say omo a tricky kakrebi, but it was about some. Me fan say be a 5 minutes be and a go off. Me won say Jordan or 10 at a point in time with me free 10 or no more something of rotation. We be say Antoine bet me be fan film for Jordan no say Antoine position ho. And go on for a long
time.
Yeah, I say kakra bi no omo yes at and minim say set up na the boy any kind of formation na near bone. That type of rotation no it me because Antoine bit my fan film Fatah bit my fan film just to confuse the opponent, you know. But and go on. But
you see that thing no needs to be something that the players can exercise more. So is easier.
Yeah, of course.
Say Omar boy fan is saying Otto in the first 11 if they have played 1 game, 2 games, 3 games together, Obehu say eto near den push me ko say.
Yeah.
And Amamenko bo say now Brad say. But the players still don't know themselves.
And they're true.
Still now, you are still calling new players and also from Omamumbo. So how? I was trying to get it. Okay, after these 2 games, what will be the points that Otto will put down? Say, okay, now I have learned these things about my team. Into Semeni, Wales, Mini Mexico, the next friendly games are. I know their approach. And now I couldn't see anything that Otto could have learned from this Austria game. Because after 60th minutes now, all any changes no. Let me who the person or achieve from that. Mama bo the way on Bessia bo and I say you want to see how you can what was the mentality behind those changes? Because a friendly game now person who share BBA, the changes must come early.
Okay.
So that all the lessons
Austria for year.
On say Austria for no. I can understand why they are even playing the way they are playing. If the Black Stars were a tougher opponent for the first 30 minutes, Ubung said, Omubeye even Omu changes later in the game. But they had to change earlier because now they realized that the Black Stars was not so stiff an opponent. Inti players now was here rest your mono. You rest your money from more.
Because Omu 8 changes, make and sana ye 5. Yeah, but 5 no medical 8
changes that.
Yeah.
Which tells you that okay, this game is not a tough game. Bring in those who are on the bench and let them also come and play some. But yeah, in the end, you also would offer new players about team anymore. Then now Patrick Pfeiffer, okay, the defending. Chukwu Emeka go now.
No baby, na game no my basa until the chance focus clump no. Na for the air time.
Gabi, me say no me reho ye pan. And ahead of Monday game, no, I don't know what to even expect.
Okay.
In terms of the tactics, Obia and Share Otowado said Chinchina on back. There is no need to force yourself for that. Problem is Siano, ewo infinfin. Because clearly, Thomas Partey Nino, it seems he's losing the strength that he has. In Tiernano, it was quite clear. He wasn't getting a lot of the balls that you expect him to get and how he will progress it forward. No, na anything kakra. Kwesi Sibonu so, and I mean we saw yellow card. He has become a player who a destroyer. Sometimes also use nyansa and the tackles.
Okay.
Kwesi Sibonu sebi it looks like on nyansa and tackles be. It is a player like this, no. You will play the first game in the World Cup, obenya yellow card. Second game, obenya yellow card. Third game na ebia unhia no about me sister game no. But ebia that third game is what will qualify you to the next stage of the competition. And don't forget, Adewe Esipen in the past say about group stage game. Now players accumulate cards because of reckless tackles go against us in the next stage.
I think the experience in more than Nyansa no. I saw a beating experience.
And that is something that the coach must work on. Because say World Cup in pass Thomas Partey may not be too reliable because of his state of mind now. Then we have to be trying another option. Say Elisha Usune Siboni Ebeboa and I say Ibrahim Suleiman and Siboni Ebeboa. Ni a try ashe.
Okay.
Or we change it and see. But if you already know Thomas Partey and you know how he will
because play, him say Partey ne be kwa akobo. Say not that kind of players now your first option is Thomas Partey. Into a game like this, you know, who Oma Partey Trante. Now what tries how players now?
Ibrahim Suleiman, Elisha Usu, Momumbo.
Okay.
Okay, this is not going well. Okay, like Ibrahim Suleiman Obet Nasi. Yema Klebianchi enkobo mfifi ho ni ehwe.
Okay.
But so now Klebianchi baby ye pese ye bono no. Baby a obi ka se obon wo ho ye no. Still ye hu no ho. And that is very unfortunate. Because I can't how many months to the World Cup. And then I make us and me say, when I watch this Black Stars play, no, I am not convinced. Say, even if we go on to put a good performance against Germany, no, your World Cup now will do anything proper. Team way, no, they lack character in the players. On say, baby now koye young. Average age ni sisi ano usheni year is about 24-25 years. And can Black Stars are now omu bobo chale enije ba omaini mupano. We had Asamajan in there. We had Muntari in there. We had Steven Appiah in there. We had Michael Essien in there.
Yeah.
And they had Omabo tournaments, 2 or 3 successive. As the experience was there, the character was also there. They know what they are doing. They carry the ball well. They progress well. But now, no, more of the youngsters, no, it is difficult to tell who is even taking initiative in the team. Who are those who are the leaders in the team? I don't see Jordan Ayew as Obia or you're too comfortable even playing under this auto system. On you're comfortable. Okay. Jordan doesn't look comfortable. Ocean Edimina now you can say that he's not comfortable. And so Kaya, after now young qualifying, there were reports say Jordan had a lot of issues with Otto.
Yeah.
But the undertones are still there.
I remember say a game my boy against Sudan. Before the game and yes say video by I know any question appear.
There are undertones. Sometimes we are privileged to get some of the news from the camp On say yempenyi Ayala nso inside onya information bi a odibe pie ni who the general outlook of the team outside of the pitch. Nyema ekoso pa Gabi, I'll not lie to you. And if the GFA don't sit up enimguasie pa ebeka ye wo memu hanon na enye easy crown. Enye easy crown because say what 5 against Austria na modemo no enhyem crown a na Germany no betimi aye Germany dey na obekwa kwa Germany o. Germany o shawa no on twitwe no hu say 5 no the more the mouth 8 no the more the mouth until say game no and no on ending the goal scoring. So Gabi, I'm really worried because the Black Stars are not playing like the Black Stars we know. And fundraiser mo ye in sema GFA president Koki Kanye say e nije no de ka asem no say ye signs bi no mo ye no de hu say Ghana be ye ade World Cup. I don't know. But after the Omama Obian we say we all have to bring our expectations down. If we don't do that, asema ebetu ye omaimu hanon. And Gabi, Mamenka we na mi fentwa to. I think say it's time for us to go and bring Callum Hudson-Odoi back into the team.
Okay, that convo
that convo needs to be revisited. Menka say Oba ombebo starting lineup o. Menka say Ombra straight into the lineup no ombebo bi o.
Indian squad players.
We need players who can do a job. That is what the Black Stars needs right now.
Okay.
Player Udini Tuma, he can be a game changer. Because try and error no say no ayeden adosun. And that try and error no obi say Jonas Ajeti. Adia mehu Jonas Ajeti no ne say onya too confident playing the football. Menim say onya warm up into the Black Star setup we say then you menim.
Okay.
But the young players that are coming in, a lot of them need that confidence which has not come out yet. So now that the confidence is not out yet, let's call players or let's try and speak to players who already know or are technically capable of doing a certain job. One player like that is Callum Hudson-Odoi. Because even though your friend or Chichene on Peso Bebo, when they go and speak to him and they let him know the impact he can have on the team and what he can do to help the team in terms of technical capability, I think so.
Okay.
Because they say obiti say me bra we obo a Olympic Lyon
apia niama na
there be niama on say ye nyante nin kase obe back from injury and Isayaku minim say ebia oni ho aye de Christopher Babu nso ene be den ene be bo ho. Look at the other wide area semenyo ni ho a Kamadi ne be bo. But if you have a player like Odoi, you can still use him either on the flanks or you can even bring him as a number 10.
Okay.
To try and control the ball and distribute the passes. So what I say, he works very well on the flanks, but if you have a player like Hudson-Odoi in the setup, it also adds to the options we have up front moving forward.
Because the face of it fair because same profile na de Inaki by Inaki so do so well in the Blaster setup. So
that is why I think it is important that we question the new technical team Omonia Beka a Black Stars setup Nisisian.
Okay.
Because if you are bringing those guys in, what is their mandate? What are they supposed to do?
Okay.
They are supposed to help to shape up the team properly. Inti say Inaki and Abia over the past few games of Alabama Black Stars on then the team needs to analyze how do we map up a strategy that will help Inaki Williams.
Okay.
Is it the 3-4-3? Pushing him up front, leaving two behind him to help him feed with passes now. And I say we will cross the ball. And Osha Inaki Williams here, one of the games I made who say Inaki Williams, the aerial threat and the aerial ability ever boying any Madagascar game I ball keep course no. Meaning say I think it was either Cape Coast or Accra. Yeshe Madagascar 1-0. That was the World Cup qualifiers. One of the first games I boy. That was the second game. Yakobo Comoros Omusha game I bought Ghana. The first game I boy. 1-0 na Yeshe Madagascar no. Look at the goal he scored. Last minute too, it was a cross from Gideon Mensah and
we also go na bano.
It tells you that such a player would work better with the aerial threat. So you utilize more of that. And answer, you find a way. You either start with Prince Kwabena Edu, Manembo, say a two difficult parts of the game. Now you bring him in and you give him an instruction to go and get an aerial goal. Say a header, say a wing backs no, and a bit feeding in crosses. Then you utilize that strategy.
But now also coming back to the coach now, Gina Bench.
Of course.
To know, say, okay, you bought this type of formation and so if he switches in.
From rim. Pese meka assembly about Ottawa. Ebia ubibe different. Ebeka say I'm being too critical. But Onyadi, Gabi, Otto Onyadi. As to whether he must be changed, no. May the Germany game no, and be decided because what players for friendly games, let them play the two friendly games.
Okay.
Let us see how the two friendlies will come out. Say your first one, Anko Ye. Let's see how his approach for the second one will be.
Okay.
After that one, you bet me whether Otto is the coach that will take us to the World Cup or not. Because after these games, say any change now, any Mexico game, any Wales game, you bet me the side decision.
Okay.
Because at the time you are calling your call-ups for Wales, any Mexico games, no. Now why you sure say Nipa way, 26 way, and I'm World
so
Cup.
We have to try them.
There's no way you are using Wales and Mexico for trials.
Okay.
Trial time any in Senaya Ambo Austriano. I want to see Senaya start against Germany.
Okay.
Lucasen and started Austriano. I want to see Lucasen start against Germany. Now the first half, no, use that first half to make your decision.
Okay.
Say Lucasen, okay, bo awo bon one yard me US in chain, yanfa we so emrem. Because Ocean here, a player like Abdul Mumin, Bonnie Bomber Valladolid. A lot of people are saying, say, why don't we see the guy in? I won't say we're pra. He's now recovering.
Yeah.
But such a player would have even been a better player than Jonas Ajeti. Yeah, sure, but he said Joseph Edu. Bonnie Bomber Celta Vigo. People were saying, say, why don't we call him to come and play the football? Our friend Patrick Pfeiffer, Opunoto, defense ho on Hushe. Gabi inti, eya dear SC Enra, Austria share 500 dear. Because eya me there na me boa.
Another question is, do we need a proper number 10 because Kudus a pra? If says yenya Kudusa, do we need a number 10? And I say yamona seni eboni ya.
There be any question eboni seni eboni. There be because Jordan enye typical. Yes, he can play the number 10. But on say Jordan no Enra. Once the Austria figured out, say, Onuno hold that play, no, and sometimes Odibenya foul at Diabono, they were very hard on him. I told the Bia Onyabola, 2 players, 3 players, no mujano, simply because they knew that is the strategy that he will use to get more players to go around him to receive the pass, or he will use it to get a foul. Ghana Dibenya abo into the half of Air Austria for no. And that makes Jordan a very ineffective player. Okay. So Kudus anywhere, it means number 10, we are in trouble. Which is why I'm saying, say, bring a player like Hotnodo into the team. Don't give him a specific role. Allow him to be a free-flowing player. Let him read the situation and let him get the best out of how he can position himself.
Okay.
And don't be so rigid on the players because Mehuni say, Obi say Antoine Semenyo. The reason why we are not getting the best out of him is because he has been given a specific instruction. I don't think that's how you approach the game. Allow some of the forward players to utilize their ingenuity to get the best out of the team. Okay. But number 10, I don't think I was Jordan necessarily now also a ball. I was saying to Mrs. Kakra to get the best out of the team.
Edward, now were you okay with the goalkeeping?
Gavi, yesterday, Na me hwɛ Atizigi. I was watching the way he was. On the Atizigi, one thing I like about Atizigi is the way he's able to distribute the balls. I know there is one thing that I've come to realize that he's good at. But today there's a lack of awareness. A hard drink akra. So Oshe, I don't know if it was the second or the third goal. Awareness was poor. Baby, I know Ojina pa na born edu 18-yard box ni. Then they can say hono Ojina.
I think let me say be second.
Be second goal.
Be second goal na. The OPA be ni man side or connect.
No.
Yeah, I think be second goal na.
No, a keeper's awareness no. Once you realize that the threat no, born na center line na airba no. You need to be aware of
baby a Ujina
no.
Okay.
Na say e che na obekọ kakra wako wechi. But by the time a ball no be do 18-yard box no, na fe kra na wo hwe na chi. Ahwe so obetimi ada ne hu yi a. But that na ball no, omo the ball na to net mu dada.
Okay.
When I compare him to Benjamin Asare, I can agree that because of the experience, and now even though he considered 5 goals, there were certain saves or making here. Those saves were saves that you would always attribute to a keeper who is a good goalkeeper.
Okay.
And now me Kasembi, well, me say I would wish to see Atizigi back in the post. Now me has a there.
Okay.
Because over the last few games, say Omodi Benjamin Asare and replacing him. And Obi can say Mumba Benjamin Asare and yet and now go anymore.
Yeah.
But Atizigi yesterday was supposed to help us know say Oko yena ye replace on Western idea.
Okay.
It was not so clear to me say Western idea. No. It was not so clear to me say Western idea. But there were certain saves or making ya. You will give him the credit. Say this is the hallmark of a world-class goalkeeper.
Okay.
Which were good. But it still doesn't validate the point. Say you're solving a goalkeeping problem. So I want to see Joseph Annan.
Okay.
And so in goal. Inti senka Germany game no. Omuma Joseph Annan dim. No obian share. At least after that game no. You bet me the goalkeepers ni say nyina ato on the same level. Ni ebisa ya hu say.
Okay. Why there
was a man starting games for Black Stars?
But then also a Basa it still comes with a type of formation our person and it game plan.
Definitely. Because on say no, we can all agree that the better passer of the ball or the better distributor of the ball is Atizigi. We don't have that in Benjamin Asare. So we can make that conclusion.
Okay.
But Yema Joseph Asare in Sumbedem. Then we can Joseph Annan in Bedem.
Okay.
Niye make another conclusion. Okay. So no so are good in both areas there.
Okay.
Yebe who say okay, Yeman ono enye den. And now but at this point no, we cannot make a pin. You cannot pinpoint and say this one should keep.
Okay.
Yet we make a decision no yet.
Joshua so Anna Martinenka ever show this. I sure your number one I can. Radio says